Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll a little bit to find sound and vibration. Right here we've got this section with the sound, so the notifications, ringtone and the other. Let's tap on the ringtone, and basically if you will have the internet connection, you will have the access to a lot of online ringtones and notification sounds, so I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Of course, if you don't want to use new options, you can simply choose local ringtone, which is in your internal storage, or pre-installed ringtones, which are provided by the developer. So if you want to, you can tap on it, then pick the ringtone, and you will be transferred to the section with pre-installed ringtones. You can of course tap on this option, don't set ringtone, and basically your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it and decide whether you like it. In this section, whenever you will tap on the ringtone, it means that it will be immediately applied. As you can see, after getting back, it is notified right here. But to be honest, I would like to pick something from the online ringtones, so let me pick maybe party. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, we've got much more options to choose from. In order to listen, the same situation, you have to simply tap on it, and you will be able to check whether you like it or not. And if you decide that you want to set this option, simply tap on this ring or bell icon, and your device will ask you if you want to select this ringtone. So simply confirm it with OK. Your device will download it, will show you that it was applied successfully. And after getting back to this section, in the sound and vibration option, you can see that it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.